Hello friends, up till now we have seen that is closed end pipe and open end pipe and analytical treatment. Now we study the investigation of pressure and density changes at displacement nodes and antinodes. We know that when valves are set up in a fluid, the excess of pressure is given by P is equal to minus E into dy by dx, where dy by dx denote the volumetric strain and E is the volume elasticity and E is given by V square by rho. From equation for stationary waves in an open end pipe, we have from equation of stationary waves in open end pipe, we have strain is equal to minus 4 pi a by lambda sine twice pi x by lambda into sine twice pi vt by lambda. This is the strain equation for strain. So we put in this equation the equation of strain, expression of the strain. So pressure P is equal to excess pressure P is equal to minus E into dy by dx is equal to this minus and this minus plus, therefore we get this minus plus, we get V square rho, as it is V square rho into 4 pi a by lambda sine twice pi x by lambda into sine Vt twice pi Vt by lambda. Let us define P maximum is equal to V square rho 4 pi a by lambda. V square there, 4 pi a by lambda is equal to, we take, let it define, that is P maximum. So we write P is equal to P maximum into sine twice pi x by lambda into sine twice pi Vt by lambda. Now again we write P is equal to Px into sine twice pi Vt by lambda. This is the equation 1, and where Px is equal to P maximum into sine twice pi Vx by lambda. So Px is equal to, we take, this is Px is equal to this P maximum into sine twice pi x by lambda, where P maximum is equal to V square rho into 4 pi a by lambda. So it represents the amplitude of pressure variation. This represent the amplitude of pressure variation at a point at a distance x from the interface. This expression for the excess pressure indicates that the pressure varies harmonically with time. The equation 1 showing the pressure varies harmonically with time. So as time changes, sign changes and pressure variation is there. Whose period is, what is period is twice pi. This is the frequency you consider. So period is equal to twice pi divided by this twice pi V by lambda. So this is lambda, twice pi get cancelled, we get lambda upon V. The same as that of component wave. This is the wave, this same. Since at the antinodal point dy by dx is equal to 0, sine twice pi x by lambda is equal to 0. That we consider the position variation. So Px is equal to P maximum sine twice pi x is equal to 0, because sine twice pi x by lambda is 0. So Px is equal to 0. And P is equal to Px sine twice pi Vt by lambda is equal to 0. This indicates that there is no change of pressure and hence density at these points. That is, at antinodes, pressure and density remains normal. At the nodes, however, dy by dx is not 0, that is maximum, because sin twice pi x by lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. Hence Px is equal to P maximum sin twice pi x by lambda is equal to plus minus P maximum. So P is equal to P plus minus Px sin twice pi Vt by lambda. That is, pressure and density may be changed, may be greater or less than the normal values. At all other points, pressure variation is given by depending upon the time term, that is all other times. So Px being equal to P maximum into sin twice pi x by lambda, this is always less than the P maximum, that is, pressure and density variation at all times are always less than at the nodal points. So thus we found that the antinodal at antinodes of the displacement undergo no variation of pressure, and the nodes of displacement undergo maximum variation of pressure, hence pressure or density. Hence the antinodes of displacements are the nodes of pressure and vice versa. As the time passes, the position of antinodes and nodes of displacement remains unchanged, and so the position of antinodes and nodes of the pressure. Nodes of the pressure. Thank you. Thank you. This is the, now there is a only one article that we will be say onwards.